In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the life of your sprinkler heads by changing out one component. On most older systems, the sprinkler heads are installed on straight risers. Today, we install all our heads on swing joints. We do this for two reasons. One, risers are not easily adjustable. If a sprinkler head needs to be lowered, you will need to remove the head and riser from the fitting and cut the riser to the desired height. To raise a low sprinkler head, you will again need to remove the head and either install a new riser or a riser extender. The second reason we prefer to install swing joints is that straight risers are not flexible. If the head is stepped on or a vehicle runs over it, there is a high chance the riser will snap, causing a leak. A far better alternative is a swing joint. This device allows you to lower or raise the sprinkler head with ease. It is also far less likely to break from being stepped on or run over. To install a swing joint, first you must remove the old sprinkler head and riser. Unthread the sprinkler head from the riser and then use a stub wrench to remove the riser from the threaded PVC fitting. Next, screw the new swing joint into the threaded PVC fitting. You can use the same old sprinkler head again, but it would be highly recommended to install a new one. Screw the sprinkler head onto the swing joint. It is also advisable to blow out the sprinkler head before you install the nozzle. This will lower the possibility of dirt or debris clogging the nozzle. Install the appropriate nozzle and filter. Test and adjust the nozzle. Set the head to the correct height and backfill your hole.